Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel CTET Expert. This is all about teaching exams preparation and especially CTET for now. Today we will do a important chapter 9 in CDP, that is gender issues in social construct. So often in this a confusing concept will be the gender bias, gender stereotyping and gender discrimination. If I tell you between these two, it just between gender bias and gender stereotyping, it's just 1% difference. And between gender stereotyping and gender discrimination, just 1% difference. I feel may not be correct simply, but let me tell you what is gender bias in a simple way. Simply we know that gender is nothing but there are two genders, male and female. Now gender bias is nothing but just selecting or choosing, preferring one gender over the other. It is just an action by the teacher or by the selector, by the person, to choose one of the gender to be naturally strong or naturally superior than the other. In that case, it is gender bias. It's not that the other cannot do. The other also can do, but the person thinks that the one gender is naturally stronger or superior than the other, then that leads to gender bias. It's like just a positive sentence about one gender. Fine. Like girls should go to, like I'm selecting girls for a solo dance competition. I feel like girls are good dancers. I'm not saying boys are not dancers, boys cannot dance. I'm simply selecting one as the best for me. I think one is the best, one gender is the best. That is gender bias. Now, gender stereotyping is the type of action by the person of should. It is like a girl's a girl place is in kitchen only. It's something like a girl should work in kitchen only. In this way, it is like it is giving एक तरह का धारणा बन जा रहा है, एक तरह का just for only girl, come for only a girl we are fixing a certain thing, not only girl, for boys also. कि अगर कुछ ऐसा कह दें कि वो only boys should do, then that is shall do. That is gender stereotyping. Coming to gender discrimination, it is of the type of action of can. Gender stereotyping is just a positive comparison between boys and girls. Why I am telling this? Let's see in the next one. Gender discrimination is nothing but a negative comparison between boys and girls. See how the gender, simply if I say only girls can do household work, only girls can do, it like we are again fixing in a way that we are not allowing boys to work. This is also a kind of discrimination only. Similarly, if we say that only girls cannot go outside to work like boys, then this we know exactly that this is a gender discrimination. But the previous one, that only girls should work, can work in kitchen, is a gender discrimination type only. Coming to two questions based on gender bias. When a teacher considers boys as naturally better at mathematics than girls, it shows that the teacher is gender biased. It's like he is preferring, he thinks that the boys are better at mathematics than girls. He is not saying that girls cannot do mathematics. He is simply saying that he the one is the better than the other. It shows it shows gender biasing. A school gives preference to girls while preparing students for a state level solo song competition. This also reflects. It's like you can see the word preference to girls. One, the teacher or the school is preferring one gender over the other, then it is simply mean gender biasing. Coming to one question based on gender discrimination. A school girl wants to join the Indian Air Force, but her peers and parents make fun of her. The cause of their making fun of girls' aspirations is, it's simply like they're making fun of the girl because she want to go outside, because she want to she want to join Indian Air Force. यहाँ पे वो ऐसा सोच रहे हैं कि लड़कियां बाहर नहीं जा सकते, दे कैनॉट गो आउटसाइड. यहाँ पे शुड का फीलिंग नहीं आ रहा है, यहाँ पे कैन नॉट का फीलिंग आ रहा है. दे कैनॉट गो, गर्ल्स कैनॉट गो टू ज्वाइन इंडियन एयरफोर्स. यहाँ पे गर्ल्स शुड नॉट ज्वाइन एयरफोर्स, वो फीलिंग नहीं आ रहा है. यहाँ फीलिंग आ रहा है कि गर्ल्स कैन नॉट ज्वाइन इंडियन एयरफोर्स, एंड सो इट इज जेंडर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. Coming to one question based on gender stereotyping. Let's say a teacher remarks in a class to boys, be boys and don't behave like girls. Like the teacher is saying that there is a certain behavior by girls, तो एक ऐसा बिहेवियर जो सिर्फ गर्ल्स के पास हो सकता है, ये कहीं ना कहीं स्टीरियोटाइपिंग है. अगर आपको एक सिंपल सा एग्जांपल दूं कि अब सब लोग सीरियल देखते होंगे, तो ये सीरियल वाली हमेशा रोती रहती है, तो कहीं ना कहीं ऐसा बिहेवियर स्टीरियोटाइपिंग इंडिकेट करेगा. और अगर हम ये कह दे किसी बॉय को कि उस सीरियल वाली लड़की की तरह तू बिहेव मत कर, तो कहीं ना कहीं हम बॉयज़ को और गर्ल्स को सेपरेट कर रहे हैं, उनके बीच में एक गैप बना रहे हैं कि बॉयज़ गर्ल्स के जैसे नहीं है, उनसे डिफरेंट है, टोटली डिफरेंट है. बॉयज़ गर्ल्स के जैसे नहीं हो सकते, दे कैन नॉट बिहेव लाइक गर्ल्स कंप्लीटली. सो ये जेंडर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन हो गया. So in this particular part is gender stereotyping, and the overall question is a gender discrimination. This be boys and don't like be boys, like comparing boys to girls to not to do a certain behavior is the gender discrimination, and this overall question becomes a gender discriminatory stereotyping behavior. Gender discriminatory behavior of stereotyping, you can say in any way. So this is all about gender bias, gender stereotyping and gender discrimination. I'll simply say that male and female, when there is simply a positive one side statement, one side selection or choosing or preferring will indicate gender bias. Gender stereotyping will be should, only girls should do that, only boys should do that, and discrimination will be only can statement, like only girls can do that or only boys can do that. Girls cannot do that or boys cannot do that will be gender discrimination. I hope this thing will be helpful for you. Thank you. If you think it was good, then please like, share and subscribe to the